Do you have an important task sitting right in front of you? A deadline is approaching. You know you need to start. But instead of working, you are watching this video. You are scrolling your phone. You are cleaning your desk. You are doing literally anything except the one thing you are supposed to do. If this sounds familiar, you are not lazy. You are not broken. You are experiencing one of the most well-studied psychological phenomena in human behavior: procrastination. And today, we are going to understand exactly why it happens and how to stop it. But here is what you need to understand. Procrastination is not a time management problem. It is an emotion management problem. And if you keep watching, you will finally understand why your brain keeps sabotaging you. Keep watching. Psychologists define procrastination as the voluntary delay of an intended action despite knowing that this delay will likely make things worse. Notice the key word here: voluntary. You are choosing to delay. But here is the paradox. You do not feel like you are choosing. It feels like something is stopping you. That something is your brain trying to protect you from emotional discomfort. Research from psychologists like Dr. Tim Seikel at Carleton University has shown that procrastination is fundamentally about mood regulation. You are not avoiding the task. You are avoiding the negative feelings associated with the task: boredom, anxiety, frustration, insecurity, or self-doubt. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that the tasks you procrastinate on are usually the ones that matter the most? The ones that could be judged by others, the ones that could reveal your limitations? That is not random. That is your brain protecting your ego. Stay with me. This is the moment where most people would scroll away. But you are still here. And you are still here because something in you wants to understand. Do not skip this. The neuroscience behind procrastination is fascinating. In your brain, there is a constant battle between two parts: the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex. The limbic system is the older, more primitive part of your brain. It seeks immediate pleasure and avoids immediate pain. It wants you to do what feels good right now. The prefrontal cortex is the newer, more evolved part. It handles planning, goal setting, and long-term thinking. It knows that working on that report is better for you in the long run. But here is the problem. The limbic system is stronger and faster. It reacts instantly. The prefrontal cortex is slower and requires conscious effort. So when you face a difficult task, your limbic system screams, "This feels bad. Do something else." And before your prefrontal cortex can respond, you are already scrolling through social media. You think procrastination means you are lazy? Wrong. What is really happening inside your brain is a neurological battle, and your primitive brain is winning. Stay with me. A study from the University of Sheffield found that students who procrastinated had higher levels of stress and lower levels of well-being at the end of the semester. But here is what is interesting. The procrastinators did not have worse grades. They just suffered more while getting there. They pulled all-nighters. They felt guilty for weeks. They experienced the pain of the task twice, once in anticipation and once in execution. Procrastination does not save you from discomfort. It multiplies it. That feeling you just had, that small recognition, that is exactly what separates procrastinators from doers. And psychologists have a name for this cycle. So why do some people procrastinate more than others? Research points to several factors. First, perfectionism. Perfectionists do not just all it takes to break the cycle. You have figured it out by now. This was never about time management. This was about emotion management. And now you know how to manage it. The question is not whether you will ever stop procrastinating. The question is whether you are willing to start right now with one small step. Because that is a question only you can answer. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand yourself better, subscribe for more psychology insights every week.